Wow, this coffee shop is so cozy. Wow, this coffee shop is so cozy.
Let's grab some coffee together. Let's grab some coffee together.
Hi there. What can I get for you today? Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a latte, please. Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like? What size would you like?
A medium, please. A medium, please.
Got it. Would you like dairy or oat milk? Got it. Would you like dairy or oat milk?
Oat milk, please. Oat milk, please.
Anything else? Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you. No, that's all, thank you.
You're welcome. For here or to go? For here or to go?
For here, please. For here, please.
That will be $4. That will be $4.
Here you go. Here you go. It smells so good. It smells so good. Let me find a nice table. Let me find a nice table. This spot is perfect. This spot is perfect. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. The latte art looks amazing. The latte art looks amazing. Let me take a quick selfie with my latte. Let me take a quick selfie with my latte. I take a sip. I take a sip. It is nice and quiet here. It is nice and quiet here. I love working at this table. I love working at this table. What do you like to drink at a coffee shop? What do you like to drink at a coffee shop? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below.